boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Imagine Dragons here, a new song called Symphony. So this one is playful, joyful, fun to play, very easy chords as well. So we're gonna look at that. No need for any cape on this one, and the chords will be G, D, and C. All right. So let's look at the G first. That will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have C. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so 3 chords only, and we have 1 chord progression, and we will use through entire song. And the chord progression will be G, D, C, D. That is how it goes. G, D, C, D. All right. Now, before we look in how to play this and how many times of everything, we're gonna learn the strumming pattern, and we need to divide this into 2 different parts. We can look at the strumming pattern 1 full round with the G chord. All right. So grab that G chord, and 1 round will be down, down, clap, up, up. Okay, so like this. So the first part will be the down, down, clap. So very easy. Down, down, clap is the first part, and the second part will be just the up, up. When you do the ups here, you don't go full ups like this. You don't have time, and it doesn't sound that good either. So you just turn your wrist when you come down, down, clap. You just turn on the way up, or like this. Give it a kick there on the E, B, perhaps the G string. The top string's down here, all right? So 2 times like this. And that will give you this jumpy feeling we need for the song. So again, down, down, clap, up, up. That's 1 full round. Part 1 was down, down, clap, and part 2, the up, up. It's like this. And so on. All right. So, the final thing here, we need to know how to play these chords. So, we're gonna start with G. And you're gonna play 3 full string rounds of G, and then you play part 1. So you like starting on the 4th round with the part 1. So 3 full rounds, and then part 1 down, down, clap on the 4th round. And then you switch to D, and you play just 1 down on D, all right? And then you quickly change to C and play that for 3 strum rounds plus part 1, and you end with 1 down on D. So that is how it goes. So G, 3 rounds plus part 1, D, 1 down, then C, 3 rounds plus part 1, and then D, 1 down, like this. 2, 3, part 1, D, C, 2, 3, and that's 1 round. So that is actually how Imagine Dragons' song called Symphony goes. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.